right, so to make the filling for our tacos tonight, I had already sauteed about 1/4 of a red onion and 1/4 of a green pepper in some avocado oil, and we're using ground bison. You can use ground beef, you can use ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you happen to have or whatever you like. We happen to like the taste of bison and venison actually over beef, so that's why we're using that tonight. A little bit healthier for you as well. So I'm going to turn the heat up just a little on this, get this to browning. And while it browns, I'm going to put just a little bit of my Bosari sauce, the savory blend. It can be quite salty, so just a few shakes because we can always season it up some more later. I'm going to add some taco seasoning. If you have any of the Cocoa Exchange taco seasoning, definitely you can use that up. Just a teaspoon again, not a lot. And I'm going to add just a little bit of the Cocoa Exchange taco starter sauce because I have it and I'm trying to use things up. So it looked like maybe about a tablespoon of that. That's all I really want. If you don't have it, use any kind of taco seasoning you have. Then you can also use salsa if you would like. We're going to be adding some green chilies to this here in just a little bit as soon as it gets browned. But I'm going to let this cook and get completely browned up, and then we'll do the rest of the seasoning and we'll show you how we're going to put these together. Well, this has been browning up, and I added just a little bit of garlic powder to it. And now I'm going to add in a 4-ounce can of the Hatch diced green chilies. You can use whatever brand you would like. I happen to like these. We're going to add these in. And then I'm going to slice up some black olives and add those in, and then we'll finish our slaw and get our cabbage leaves ready to use. We're making a slaw to go on top of the meat, and we'll use the green cabbage leaves for our taco shell. And we have a mixture of some grated red cabbage, the leaves from the bok choy we rolled up and julienned, used a little grated onion, grated up some of the watermelon radish so you can see how it looks like actually looks like a watermelon. And we grated up some turnip and grated up a little bit of the yellow beet. And I'm also going to serve a roasted yellow beet on the side. Now we have that all in the bowl. I'm going to add the juice of a lemon or a lime. And then we'll add, get that all squeezed in there. Then we're going to swirl that around. We're going to add a little salt. I need to fill up my little salt cellar. We're going to grate in some black pepper, if I can get the lid off. And then I'm going to taste it to see if I think we need any olive oil. I'm going to mix it around first. Okay. Didn't it look pretty? You know what? May just need a little bit more lime juice. And there's the finished product. We scooped the meat. I added some black olives, and then we scooped the meat into the cabbage leaves, topped it with the slaw, a few slices of avocado, a little bit of cilantro, I had roasted some golden beets, and then we have our polenta chips. So there we have tonight's dinner, very, very healthy. If you wanted to add cheese or a non-vegan or a non-dairy vegan cheese, you could. We're just gonna roll with it like this. Very, very healthy dinner, and I hope you try it and enjoy it. Bon appetito.